loves, welcome back to my channel. I have a makeup tutorial for you all today. It is using the Dominique Cosmetics Latte Palette. This was created by Kristen Dominique from here on YouTube. She created this very awesome palette and I created this date night look for you guys. If you haven't seen the palette already, it has these wonderful 10 shades in it. And it has some shimmers and then the rest are mattes. The colors are just phenomenal. The color payoff, the size of the product that you get per pan is amazing. It is more like a silver $50 if you've ever seen those. That is the size of these pans. So you get tons of product and it does have a full size mirror as you can see there. And the packaging itself is just so sleek and it's so appealing to the eye, very, very aesthetic looking. And I love this palette so much, I thought I would create a makeup look for you guys. And I want to take this time to say hello to my new subscribers. Thank you so much for coming on my channel, subscribing, and watching another video by me. If you don't know me, my name is Jessica Sanchez. I make beauty, fashion, planner, and lifestyle videos on this channel. I hope you guys enjoy this video, so let's get into it.
Alright, to prep our skin, I'm starting with This Works. It is a moisturizer, mask, primer, all in one. So I'm just using this to apply it all over my face, and it kind of does a lot of steps all at once, which is really, really nice. And then for eye cream, I'm using the Bye Bye Undereye from Cosmetics. For eyeshadow primer, I'm going in with this Lorac one, and I'm applying that all over my eyelid and then going just above my eye crease as well, just so that all my shadows can stay in place for the whole night. And now for this beauty. I love, love, love this palette. I cannot wait to try all of the eyeshadows out. It is just so beautiful. But first we're going in with Vanilla Cream, and I'm putting that all over my eyelid, even close to my eyebrows. Next up, I'm picking up this beautiful light brown shade in Caramel, and I'm applying that all over my crease and then swirling it back and forth just to make sure that it's nice and blended out. Next, I'm picking up that beautiful first shade in Hazelnut, and I'm going to be applying this all over my lid. I'm just packing on that color onto my lid and then slowly blending it out so that it blends in with that crease shade. Going in with a shimmer now, I'm taking that color Macchiato with my finger and I'm applying it right to the center of my lid, and then using my finger to kind of blend it out with that hazelnut shade so it's not too intense in one spot. Taking this Stila eyeliner, I'm going to be winging out my liner, and that is because I will be using lashes and I wanted to give this a little bit of a dramatic look since it is a date night look. For mascara, I'm taking this Benefit Bad Gal Bang Mascara and adding just one coat of mascara just to prep them for the falsies. For lashes, I'm taking these House of Lashes Iconics. They are my absolute favorite to use. And then for foundation, I'm taking the stick foundation from Makeup Forever, and I'm going to be taking this section by section and then buffing it in with the Morphe M439 brush. Is my favorite to use for these types of foundations. One super important tip with foundation is you always want to drag it down your neck. You always want to make sure you blend it down there so that it doesn't stop right at your jawline and then people could see where your foundation exactly ends. You always want to make it look seamless and flawless. For concealer, I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, like always, putting that right under my lash line and then blending it out with a beauty blender. To set that concealer, I'm taking my Airspun and lightly tapping it in my skin. For bronzer, I'm taking the Milani Dolce Baked Bronzer and then I'm applying that all over my forehead, my temples, and then the hollows of my cheekbones, as well as my nose and my jawline. For blush, I'm taking this Colourpop one called Between the Sheets, and I'm using the stippling brush to blend it out on my cheekbones and then drag it just a little bit further back towards my ears. For brows, I'm using the Anastasia Soft Brown Duo Powder. To finish off the eye look, I'm taking that shade Hazelnut from the palette and I'm applying it right under my lash line, and you want to make sure to fully blend this out so there are no harsh lines of shadow. And then I will be adding one coat of the Benefit Bad Gal Bang Mascara, and then I will also go in with the Urban Decay 24/7 eyeliner to finish off the eye look completely. For lips, I'm doing a Colourpop combo and I will be using MIDI, and then I will be topping that off with the I Love Sarai and Colourpop collaboration in Curvii. For highlight, I'm using the Smashbox and Casey Holmes collaboration, the Spotlight palette, and I'm using the first two shades to highlight my brow bone. And then I will be setting all my makeup with the Morphe setting spray, and then going back in that highlight palette to highlight my cheekbones. And that is a complete look for the date night makeup tutorial. I absolutely loved how it came out. Super flawless, very, very sexy, and I love it.
That's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching this makeup tutorial. And again, this was using the Dominique Cosmetics Latte Palette. I absolutely love it. I highly suggest you guys get your hands on it. It is definitely worth the price. So get your hands on that. And to all my new subscribers, thank you so much for watching and subscribing to my channel, as well as my other subscribers that have been with me for a while. And if you do have any suggestions on other videos you would like to see, please leave them down below. And that's it for this one. I'll see you in my next one. Bye!